All right, guys, I just arrived home and I've got this beautiful, wonderful gift from my friend Sameh, and this is straight from Egypt. As you can see, very, very, very extremely tasting Middle Eastern sweets. So if you've never tasted them, they are some of the most delicious sweets you can get, and they are best coming with coffee. So as you can see in the background, I have some coffee varieties, and we're gonna have some coffee with my wife and taste these excellent, extremely nice sweets. So let me open them up and show it to you guys. So they have been actually brought directly from one of those shops, and they are extremely lovely, as you can see. So tremendously delicious. I can't wait to take a taste of each one of these. As you can see, pistachio, nuts and honey, and a lot of different varieties. Wow, so amazing treat, especially if you want to have some sweets with coffee. This is perfect. So let me thank you, Sameh. You've made my day really wonderful. I love them. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see some more food and sweets on our channel as well. See some recipes that we have.